Hey Texans! Welcome to Honors Hall. I'm Grace and I'm a double major in psychology and sociology, and I'm an RL here at Honors. Let me give you the grand tour. Honors Hall is a 4-floor residence hall available for incoming freshmen who graduate in the top quarter of their class and returning students whose GPA is 3.0 or higher. Residents will have access to the spacious lobby that includes a library, various study rooms, and in-hall mailboxes. Each floor offers community kitchens available for use 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for its residents. There's even a complimentary laundry room on each floor. When you first enter the suite, you are greeted with a shared living area furnished with a love seat, chair, coffee table, side table, and TV stand. There's even a micro fridge in each suite. This gives students an opportunity for the ultimate roommate experience. Each suite has single rooms to give students a sense of independence and privacy. This suite comes with 2 full-size beds and adjustable bed frames, 2 3-drawer dressers, 2 desks with chairs, 2 nightstands, and 2 built-in closets. Residents will have access to a private bathroom with a shower and 2 vanity sinks. You can decorate it any way you like as long as you don't bring any of the forbidden items which can be found on the Tarleton Bound Instagram page, just to keep you and your roommates safe. That's it for this rendition of Texan Cribs Honors Hall. Make sure to follow Tarleton Bound and Tarleton Res Life for more housing information. See you later!